Hair color tricks for dyeing your hair at homes. Roughly 43 million women in the US have dyed their hair in the past 6 months. According to research from the Nexus, both with a huge array of hair colors, products, shade options, and technique available, it is hard to know how to get it right when it comes to dyeing your hair at home. Whether you are thinking beige, dark brown, auburn, blondie, highlights, or beyond, we have Good Housekeeping Institute, Beauty Lab, and Pro Secret for getting and keeping the hedge turning hair color of your day. A few things you should keep in mind. You will now want to save major hair color changes for the salon. The biggest dyeing snapper is thinking you can transition from, say, black to platinum hair at home, or even from brown to blondie. Changes from one color family to another can require multiple processes which are best left to salon colorist who knows how to assess tones and minimize damage. When dyeing your hair yourself, stay within two shades, lighter or darker. If you are currently sees Carrie Hall, a celebrity colorist at Mikey Salon in Los Angeles, remember that your result will be somewhere between your natural color and photo on the box. Is it safe to color your hair at home? Yes, it is generally safe to color your hair at home as long as you can follow the direction on the product packaging. A few exceptions: you should skip a dye job if your recent relax is perm your hair, since both processes can cause damage. If you can't keep salon, wait at least 7 days after a perm or other process to apply color, say Sarah Scholar, manager of Clarion Custom Relations. And remember that you can have the color
Artlist.io.
What's your view?
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.